Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you a neat feature that Qwen AI has, and that's its image analysis. So I'm going to paste a picture of some math problems, and I'm going to ask the AI to help analyze and order the list of math problems in the picture. So I'm going to start writing my prompt. I'm going to type, I want you to analyze and order the numbered math problems in the picture, and then I would like you to help me solve them. So now I'm going to hit enter to send the prompt, and I'm going to give the AI a few minutes to respond. So as you can see, examining the picture with precision. You can also use this to extract data from a graph, or maybe ask it to identify objects in a picture, that sort of stuff. So it's really versatile. So here's the picture if you are interested. It's from a calculus textbook. And let's see how the AI fares. So depending on how complex the picture is, it might take a little while. But as you can see, here is the output. So just to double check, let's look at the first example. So it's an integration, 1 plus square root of x raised to 8. Let's see if that's correct. 1 plus x square root of x raised to 8. So it's done a really good job of extracting the text from the image, and now I can freely copy paste this wherever I would like. And it gives us a detailed breakdown of how you would go about solving these problems. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And again, that's how to make use of the image analysis capabilities of Qwen AI. As always, I would also like to thank you for watching.